Alright guys, welcome back. So, got a star, Glidden Premium Untinted Base. I have a Artist Loft Silver, and that's mixed with Interference Blue from Primary Elements and Interference Violet, which also has like a green tinge to it as well. This is Jasmine from Primary Elements. That's what that looks like. Then I've got Snapdragon right here. This is Vavoom. That guy looks like. This is one of my favorites. Okay. This is Tanzanite. I don't know what I did with the jar. That's it right there. Okay. My mixes are different this time. I bought this a long time ago. It's by Rust-Oleum. Fast drying, non-yellowing, UV resistant. It's a very clear, thick, gooey, I don't know, copolymer. The cell activator is going to be black tonight. I'm down to the bottom of the barrel of my Amsterdam titanium white, and I'm not trying to waste it on an experiment. So, but it's Artist Loft Flow Black, a couple drops of carbon black, and water for consistency. Okay, let's just cross our fingers and hope it goes. I want to use the untinted base because I want that glow from the pigments. I don't know, that was like 3 drops or so. Okay. Here we go. Let's pour a little off. Let's make a mess. Yeah. I don't like those bubbles there. Ew. Get out of my painting. No, you're not welcome. I can't help myself. Must have this guy. Right? Then this one. That one. Oh, my silver's really thick. Something just went haywire on the floor. Ha! Let's get Lucy. Alright, we're starting to move a little bit. Let's see what I can conjure up. Nah. Let's try again. I'm not ready to give up yet. Are you guys? That was really cool though. Like that. Okay. I can't help myself. Mmm. Yummy. And we're moving, which is a great thing because I can blow this out a little bit. I have to stretch it out a little, you guys. I know you're probably like, oh my God, why? But if I don't, like, I don't want it to be a bloom. I want it to be something special. You know what I mean? All right, we're stopping. Like, holy shit, you guys. It's freaking badass. I want to do something on the points, but... that's a lot, but... let's do this guy first. Okay. Maybe then this one. Then this guy. A little bit of that. I gotta make sure I save enough for each point. Okay, focus, Jen. Focus. Oh, did you just see me do that? I'm gonna scream. We're gonna call this manipulating the bloom. Cause I'm blah blah blah. I'm a manipulative girl. Teensy one. Just so it can be like uniform, you know? Ugh. What is wrong with you? Why do you do this to yourself? Like, seriously. Yeah. That's what we want, baby. I can't contain myself. This is the Tanzanite. Tanzanite and silver. Just over like the hole. Just a blip. Because it's going down the hole. Come on, quick, quick, quick. Get out. Where is the straw? There we go. Ugh, did it to myself. Frickin' again. Why did I do this to myself? I do not know. Yes. Okay. That's it. That is it. Finito. Let's get you guys in for the photo. Or the close-up. Oh my God. Look at that goodness. This is the primary element stuff and the Rust-Oleum clear gloss, you guys. And it's going to have some color shifted interference. Is that a bubble? Is that a bubble? Alright, well, we'll worry about that later. But, you know, that's the point. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Thanks for putting up with my bullshit. See ya. So here's my star. It's completely dry. This was from using the untinted base as my pillow paint. It's changed again. You can see in the light with the interference. And was able to achieve the watercolor effect that people are trying to get, but this came out awesome. For a dollar store cutout, Craftnique's stain blocking primer is awesome. There's just one coat of that on here, and I mean, it's not warped, bowed, nothing. And it kept its shape with all that weight and moisture. So that's another great product that they have. But yeah, using the untinted base instead of house paint. I did it before in a 6-inch round, and here it is again. So anyway, hope you liked the video.